Let's look at the sum of geometric progression GP. If you are given a geometric progression A, AR, AR raised to the power of 2, AR raised to the power of 3, AR raised to the power of 4, then it continues to the n term of the GP, which is what? AR raised to the power of n minus 1. The sum of this GP is given as our S, which is what? Sum is equals to what? We add everything together. So we're going to have A plus AR plus AR raised to the power of 2 plus AR raised to the power of 3 plus AR raised to the power of 4. Then it continues to the n term, which is what? AR raised to the power of n minus 1. So generally, the sum of the n term of a GP Sn is given as A into bracket 1 minus R raised to the power of n over 1 minus R. Okay, this is our equation 1, where your R is less than 1. Okay, so here our R is less than 1. But if your R is greater than 1, then your sum, which is Sn, will be given as A into bracket R raised to the power of what? N minus 1, okay, over R minus what? 1. So this is our equation 2. So you apply this formula when where your R is greater than 1. So if you are looking for the sum of a GP, you can make use of any of this formula. First formula is applied where your R is less than 1. And the second formula is applied where your R is greater than 1. Just note the difference. Here in the first equation, we have it that our sum is equals to what? A into bracket 1 minus R. You can see the 1 comes before the R because our 1 is greater than what? R, or our R is less than 1. Okay, so that is why the 1 comes before the R. Okay, but in the second formula, our R comes before the 1. Why? Because our R is greater than what? 1. Okay, so thank you very much. Our next video will be an example under the sum of a GP.